going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel today. Wanted to share some footage from going down to Panama City a couple weeks ago and share that with you guys from one of our upcoming projects with Operation Upper Deck is the name for this one. And it's going pretty good, but wanted to share the video walkthrough just to kind of share the rehab and let you guys kind of see some of the trades that we're making with the project and how it's actually going to come together from, demoing out the molded areas. We're putting a new roof on, bringing in some more insulation, filling in those gaps where we had some damage from the storm. And once we bring that in, we're going to update both of the bathrooms, the kitchen, and roll with it and deliver a top quality product for a family that's looking to move in. And this one is usually where our price range. The ARV, we're going to probably sell it around 190 and probably be a first home or starter home for a family that's looking to come in and buy their first house. And so we're looking forward to this project, and it's fairly straightforward. And so I know you guys have kind of seen on the other videos I talked about, some of the marketing techniques. This one I found on Zillow. First day on the market, no pictures, called the agent, got the inside information on it, and we went 1,000 over list price and got it for 90K. And the renovation budget is going to come in around 40,000, and we'll sell it for 190, and we'll be off to the races and on to the next project. So this one's working in conjunction with our other ones, and so we walked a couple. I think we uploaded earlier last week, the last video. Check that out with the Operation Pool side, with that video and everything that's going on with that. We're getting it up, and we've actually, if you go back and watch that video, I'll tell you now, we decided to fill in the pool. It came in a whole lot cheaper to fill the pool in versus going in and actually renovating the pool and updating equipment. So that was a great experience. Not great experience, but it's a great opportunity to save costs. And we learned from our previous experience with our own personal residence with filling in the pool, and just the same company's going to do the work there, but having that experience, and we were able to say, hey, how about instead of putting $20,000 into the pool, how about we pay $7,500 and just fill it in and put sod down? And so we'll save quite a bit of money on the project. So just things, wisdom that comes from just knowledge of going through and the cycles of doing these projects, and you become more experienced, and you can make those design trades when you're doing a project. And because it's all about time, time and preserving your capital and making the good decisions. So without further ado, I'll roll you guys into the walkthrough video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and then and just share it with anybody who you may be looking to partner with, or somebody that that's interested in maybe getting started in real estate. Share the channel with them. Make sure you get a thumbs up on the video, and we'll see you guys on the next video. And definitely drop in the comments if there's any topics that you would like for me to cover. If there's any facets of how I do my business. I work a full-time job, active duty Air Force, and I run my business virtually. I'm about 14 hours away from Panama City, and we're able to get these projects done and just build a great team, a phenomenal team that's doing some great work to get these projects done and to get them sold after we complete the work. So look forward to hearing back from some of those comments. Alright, so 613 Jennings Avenue, and so this one got some roof damage we got to get repaired. Sheetrock, but yeah, we got the water some mold, so we're gonna tear that out and get that going. And we're gonna look at tearing this wall out here, since it's verified it's not load bearing. Afterwards, we'll be able to get that going and bring in the sheetrock in here into this area and replace the molding. Well, the cabinets, like, you got hardwood cabinets here that are awesome. And so what we'll do, we'll paint these, do new hardware, take off the old knobs and new countertops. And you got the eating and kitchen here, a lot of junk, as you guys can see here. And yeah, so we'll get all this out. Then you got the washroom off the back and the cabinets here. So we'll keep these cabinets and change out the hardware here as well too. And washer and dryer, the back door there. So I gotta repair the roofing there. When the storm damage came in, blowed in the sheetrock. And then you got the sliding glass door here behind the pile of junk. But yeah, so this one we picked up. You can see here the new unit is not that old. So that's always a blessing. We love the less money we have to put in to replace the HVAC. And we got one bedroom here, nice size closet space here, and so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1.5. So you got the tub in this one. You guys can't see in this, but it's the full bath. Got the hallway pantry. Then you got the second bedroom here, nice size closet. And these are the windows. You see here the windows are pretty new. They're updated windows, vinyl windows, so that's good. And we will keep those. So yeah, these doors here we'll just paint new hardware, keep the frames. This is the master, more where the sheetrock got blown in with the wind damage, but as you can see the windows are good. It actually was a sports car collector, so you got a lot of sports memorabilia here, baseball cards, which is pretty cool. They actually go back to the 80s and 90s, which is pretty awesome. But and then the full bath here. So it's 2 full baths. I'll take that back. Yeah, so it's a full bath here in the master suite. We have new mirror, vanity light up above, new vanity, toilet. Keep the tub in. We're gonna clean up the tile work in the tub, and should be good to go. Yep. So we put this one up, 89,000. Actually 90,000. Came in 1,000 above list price. We're gonna put in about 35,000, and ARV is gonna be around 180. And overall, it's a good property. Nice corner lot. Walk around the outside in the back. Let you guys see the neighborhood. It's pretty good. But you got the corner lot there, that light pole. Bring the fence off of that corner there by the light pole and key it in 90 degrees right here and bring it into the side of the house here. And so we'll do an 8-foot fence, so if someone has like a RV or boat they want to bag in, they can. The back of the house, we're gonna definitely put a pergola on the back porch here area. It's a slide door, get the roof fixed, and yeah, be good to go. So get this one. It's on a great lot, great area. Be good to go. Kick this project off. Got the guys going, and so we'll get the roof work started in a couple days, and we'll be on to the next one.